I've been seeing in the comments section people saying, well, some people saying, you keep saying 100x. Everything you show, you look saying 100x. Welcome to the channel. I'm looking for 100x. If you want 5x, go watch a channel that the flipping talks about Chainlink or XRP. I'm not shouting at you. I'm just trying to say that this is what my channel's been about. I kind of document my journey, show you what I believe in, and I am looking for 100x gems. That's what this channel's about. We're trying to find these coins that can make us massive gains. If it doesn't do 100x, fine. If it does 30x, fine. But I'm still looking for those 100x's. And I want to show you what's been going on my channel over the last few weeks. Welcome back to Cryptogains. Hope you're good. Hope you're having a good day. So I've been sharing some shorts. Have you been looking? Actually, before I get into the shorts, no, I'll tell you the shorts and then I'll embrace you for what's to come, right? It's been sort of like over the last sort of weeks, I shared this one here, Squid. Let's have a quick look at this short. You know, where's it gone? Just down and point your finger. This could 10x within 24 hours, and it did, by the way. You know, finger up. I want to see what market cap I shared this, because I've been looking at these incredibly high risk. Here we go. Boom. Right there. 2,600k market cap. This is the mother of all high risk plays. You put £1, you put $1. You don't need to risk any more than that. Okay, $2 if you're feeling good today. You spend $2 on a scratch card. You don't need to put more. We're playing with lottery picks. If you put thousands, it's your problem. But when you're dealing with such a tiny, toxic, high risk, you do not know what's going to happen kind of project, you don't need to go crazy with this. But if you do fine, if you make like 100,000, 200,000, fine. Let me tell you something, had you put 10 grand in this, you'd be mega rich within a week. When did I upload this video? It doesn't say. Well, anyway, actually, can I click on the description? It wasn't long ago. That's what I know. It wasn't long ago. Description. Does it say? Does it say the date and time? Here you go. Look, on the September the 30th. So about 15 days ago, I shared this video to you guys. It was a 2.6k cap. Squid had the most insane pump that I've ever seen in my life from down here. And this isn't even the bottom. That's just, that says 430%, right? But right now it's sitting at a 94k. This went up to about 180k, 200k. I'm sure this, because it's down here now, it's fallen since this part here. How do we, shift. What? I'm in a little measuring tool. Because I want to show you, actually, let me just move this across. I want to show you what I see, right? It's already fallen from its highs, what it had in like 2, 3, 4 days ago, right? So down here, it's already fallen 50%. So 94k, 90 and 90 is 180k. This was 188k market cap. Yeah, because at its highest, 50% up more from the market cap it is now, 188k. If you take a calculator and just do basic math, $188,000, which this is the beauty of playing with these high risks. And which is why I've been incredibly interested in them, because what I've learned with memes is you have to get in quick, man. If you're buying 26 million market caps, make sure you got at least 6, 7 flipping big YouTubers that are going to talk about it. Otherwise, don't look at them. Look for these incredibly high risk. I put my $2. If my $2 gets lost, fine, I lost it all. $188,000 divided by, what did I say in that? Let's go back to that video. $2,600. These are what I'm looking for. Ones that could potentially 100x. Divided by 2,000. I'm going to be precise. I put the extra numbers as well. 2638. That's where we bought it, 2638, right? You're up 71x. Within 15 days, you're up 71 times your money. You don't get that with your XRPs, your chain links, and all these people that keep saying, oh, you keep talking about 100x. Well, this is why, because this is what I'm looking for. I want coins that can do it, and I think I've found them, but they are incredibly high risk. You will lose your money. You could lose all your money. I don't recommend people play with these if you cannot handle extreme volatility. Why? Because they go up, they crash down. They go up more, and then they crash down. It's flipping violent, man. This is like being on that, what's that roller coaster ride? You know when it takes you up like that, and it stops for a few seconds, you're looking, oh, that's nice. Ah! You fall straight down. It tingles in your belly, your tits come up to your head like this, and you're just like... I know. This is the most. You have to be able to stomach the falls. because they're violent drops. Because if someone puts $5, up 10%. It's got to keep it real. If someone puts $100, up 40%. If someone sells $150, just tank. Damn, 40%. You have to, this is a whole different era, guys. And you know what? I blame pump.fun. Getting it up. I blame these new launch pads. I blame pump.fun. And I blame Move Pump, because they're the ones that are making it possible for people to come along and have fun with these different types of coins. These are your new launch pads. These are your 2025 launch pads. Before you had they still do good, the other ones. The Seedify, the Chain GPT, they will still do good, but they're heavily controlled, man, heavily centralized. I'm fed up with it. You have to own some of our coins and then you can participate. Oh, you have to do KYC so you can grab some of these tokens. Nuh-uh. I will come over to pump.fun. I'll find a founder who created a great project and just dumped his tokens because he has no faith in it, trying to rug pull people, and I'll set it to the moon. But I'll tell you what, the founder of Squid, unless it was a community takeover, I don't know. But if it really was the founder of Squid, shout out to you, bruv. Because if you did buy back into your token and because they've updated the website, look at this. This is clean, because it was such a basic website before. So if the Squid founder bought back into his tokens and is just sitting down for the ride, shout out to you. If it isn't you and then someone's done a CTO and this is a community takeover, I'm sorry, bruv, but shout out to them, because this looks absolutely clean. Nice. It's more than just basic now. Look at this. It's nice, man. This is... Thank you. I appreciate that. But no, this is nice. I like it. And I think this has big potential. It's using the peppy face on an octopus kind of thing. Squid. It's Squid, man. On the Sui chain. You are up 71 times your money. Or near enough. Even if you got at like a 5K, because 2.6, what is that? 5.2K. Divide that by 2, you're still up 35 times your money. Even if you got in a 10, was it 10.5.2, 10.4K, divide that by 2, you're still up 17 times your money. Show me a crypto project that's done 1,700% in the last 2 weeks, because I can't see any, apart from these right here. So let's have a look at the next short. This one here, 10x within 24 hours, and it did. What's this? Let's have a look. What was it? Sweet Preem. What did I show you at? Right there. Boom. 3.1K market cap. I recently saw, yesterday, literally, I was talking to my boy about it, because I said to him, bruv, you got in mega early with the VIPs. Because, you know, he's one of the admins, so when I share it in there, they all see it, they're all flipping, rushing on their phone, trying to buy anything else. He got in early with them. Man. Sweet Preem went up to about a 205K market cap is what I've seen it. Right now it's down. But if that was this yesterday, it's been higher than that. Maybe it went up to 240K. Maybe it went up to 300K. I don't know. Let's see how much this is down from its all-time high. This is down. Look at that. 57. Maybe it went up higher. 58%. Well, if you add 50% to this market cap, which is 172K cap, add 50%. So you're doing, I know, because 100%, I was doing it wrong. So maybe that last one didn't go to 188K. Maybe it went to like, you have to half that, 100 and something K. Maybe we did like a 60-50X, just to keep it real. I don't want to like be, you know. So 100% would be 340 something K. So 50% would be about 200 and something. I don't know. You're half the 172. What's half of that? My head ain't there. Or 150, 100, 80 something K. 88 is 100, about 86K, 84K, something like that. I can't remember. Maybe 86K. I don't know. If you add 86K to that, that's like over 250K market cap. Supreme was killing it. Did this just 100X? Let's do this. Let's say it went to 250K cap, right? Because I know it went somewhere like this. If it went to 250K cap and we're going to divide it by, no, it didn't 100X, it was close. What did it do in this video? Where is it? 3,185. Again, toxic, high risk. I could lose all my money. I'm putting $2 kind of thing. 3, 2, what am I doing? No, 3,185. On this, 78X. And that is with the 50%. I didn't double it. I didn't put it to 300 and something K market cap. 78X. So when people come to my channel and say, oh, you keep saying 100x, you keep saying 100x, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I haven't got time for these 5x's. The only time you're going to see me invest in big projects, even the blue chips, I'm looking for at least 10, 20x. I don't want 5x. I don't even want 10x, but I'm happy with it. And if I'm going to put 10x, I've got to put 20, 30, 40 grand. So when I do 10x, I get $400,000. Otherwise, it's not worth my time. Move Pump is making it exciting for me and Patreons and everyone else that love to make money. It's like fast cash, but it is incredibly risky. You can't throw your life savings in this. You can't flip and take out a loan for this. I don't recommend anyone do that. This is incredibly high risk. You have to be prepared to lose everything in this. There's been times where, and this is another thing, right? And I'm going to talk about this because it's a shame. And this is a big flipping shame. And developers, if you're going to launch a meme coin, you best make sure you do not disclose your website. Keep that flipping thing hidden. I know you're trying to like hype people up because you're getting excited or get ready for this launch that's coming. You need to flip and keep it hidden. Because nowadays, people are going to steal your project. I've seen coins in here where they steal people's idea, and then because that project says, oh, launching soon. You're showing them your whole website and everything, launching soon. They just teeth your flipping project, man. Because they make a coin, people rush to buy it. They drop a website link, you click on it, it takes you to the thingy, and all of a sudden you think the coin's ready to go. And there's nothing you can do about it, developers or founders or devs, whoever's making the coin, the one that's saying launching soon. Why? Because it becomes a CTO, a community takeover. And let me tell you, community takeovers are powerful, man. Once the community takes over, if they believe that this coin's hot and this is the one they think it can do, you can't do nothing. Kiss your project goodbye, because it can ruin your project. And then you've got to try and convince all these people that have invested in a community takeover coin where they've taken over it. You got to convince them that you aren't just going to keep a huge percentage of your supply and you are not going to dump it on them in the future. How can you convince all these people that have already launched the token themselves that you're not going to dump your token that you're launching in a few days? You can't, it's hard. So I highly recommend, if you've got a seriously good idea for a project, especially a meme coin, do not upload the website. Keep it quiet until you're ready to launch. And when you do launch it the exact same day, that token. Get it out there. So people can't come along and steal your idea, because it's disgusting. It is disgusting behavior. But you can't stop it. Squid Games, that is sick. No, because they ain't got the sweet games. But I'm not messing with this. Because I saw the rug pull last time on the Ethereum chain. I'm not doing it. It's got a website. I'm not dealing with it. Hasn't even got a website. I'm not interested. But I'm not dealing with it, because they're just too. That is, you might as well just lose your money. You sin the squid, you might just lose your money. We love them. Guys, I am looking for 100 X's on my channel. I pause all this. I'm looking for 100 X's on my channel. If you're going to comment in my comment section saying, all you talk about is 100X. Well, yeah, because that's what I'm looking for. I want coins that could probably turn my $1,000 into $100,000. That's what I'm looking for. Can it 1000x? It might be hard to, but I've got a feeling that when I invest in these coins, I'm doing it because I feel like they have the potential 200x. If this comes out and just does a 50x, fine. If it does a 22x, fine. But at least I looked for projects that I felt like could 100x. And that's what this channel's been about all along. And actually, if you look at these videos, when I share you coins that can 100x, you have to really look into them deep, because when I show you these, I'm showing you at market caps that have the potential 200x. Because if this does a 10x, 31k. If it does 100x, $318,000. That's not hard for a meme coin to do $318,000. It's not hard. That is 100x. So, yeah, just got to share my verdict on this. It's been a different video. Look, if you want to get in early on calls like this, because Patrons do see these shorts first, I just slip it to them first. Become a Patreon. The link is in my info section. Click it. Come over. Highly recommend you check it out. And remember, I said I'm going to show you a little thing at the end. Look at this. I've dropped in the next 3 to 4 days. Whenever you're watching, I'm trying to get this video up as quick as I can. Next 2 to 3 days, I'm going to be revealing this on YouTube. There's a secret gem, just like the squids, just like everything else. I feel it has 10,000x potential, or up to. If it does 1,000x, fine. If it does 500x, fine. If it does 10x, fine. It's already 10x'd. By the time I'm recording this video, it's already 10x'd. But you still have a chance to get this under a 50k market cap, which is incredibly tiny. Do not miss the opportunity. Come down. There's a 20% discount. You can grab this with the 20% discount. Come and have a look at this. It's some powerful knowledge on this coin. And I will be talking about it. I'll be sharing it on the channel. You will see it. And then I'll show you what it did. Just like your squids, just like everything else, and you have that chance to get in early on something. So it's entirely up to you. But I will be looking to bring more of these in the future, because Patreon allows us to drop products, our own products. And it's cool. I like it. It's just different. And I like the idea of dropping these secret gem products, so I might drop some more. Yeah. And the way to differentiate the difference between each one, because, you know, I might just change because you might look and go, has he dropped a new one yet? I don't know. Well, you'll know by the question mark, because I'll change the color of the question mark. So every time there's a new product, you'll know, because the question mark is a different color. So, you know, it's a new thing I'm talking about. Yeah. But everything else will stay the same. So you understand that when you're grabbing, what you're grabbing is powerful information for a coin that could really do well. But they are incredibly high risk. So you have to be prepared to lose all your money if you're going to play with this right here. Right? Because again, remember I told you about the roller coaster, and then it just dumps on you down, and you fall down, and it tits to your head, and that's what this is. You have to just sit back and just ride it. But shout out to the people that grabbed this already. I see you. Thank you so much. I wasn't sure how this would go down, but it's gone down really well so far. And yeah, you guys will be, I'm sure they're going to be in profits. The ones that got in mega early to this will be in profits. So we'll see what happens. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Where's my channel? I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.